Hi, my name is Allison King, and today I am going to teach you how to divide fractions. The first term you need to be familiar with when dividing fractions is reciprocal. To find the reciprocal of a fraction, simply flip the numerator and denominator. So if we have the fraction 2/3, the reciprocal would be 3/2. The numerator went to the denominator, and the denominator moved to the numerator. If we have the fraction 4/9, the reciprocal would be 9/4. The numerator and denominator were flipped. I'd like to start with a model so you can see how dividing fractions works. Our first example is 3/4 divided by 3/8. We want to see how many sets of 3/8 fit into 3/4. So I've got our 3/4 model right here, and I've got sets of 3/8. Well, we've got one set of 3/8 covering our 3/4. Now we've got a second set of 3/8 covering our 3/4. In this problem, we have two sets of 3/8 covering our 3/4, which means 3/4 divided by 3/8 is equal to 2. Now let's try that same example, 3/4 divided by 3/8, using the keep it, switch it, flip it method. Keep it means keep the first fraction the same. Switch it means change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Flip it means find the reciprocal of the second number. So with this problem, we keep 3/4 the same, change division to multiplication, and change 3/8 to 8/3. So our original problem of 3/4 divided by 3/8 has become 3/4 times 8/3. When multiplying fractions, all we have to do is multiply across. 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 24/12. Now to simplify this, we find the greatest common factor between 24 and 12, and that is 12. So let's divide the numerator and denominator by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 12 divided by 12 is 1. So we get 2/1, which is equal to 2. Now let's try 1 2/3 divided by 4/6. To start, let's change 1 2/3 from a mixed number to an improper fraction. To do this, we multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add the numerator. So 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So it has now become 5/3 divided by 4/6. Okay, now we are going to apply the keep it, switch it, flip it. We kept 5/3 the same. We switched the division sign to a multiplication sign, and we flipped 4/6 is now 6/4. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 4 is 12. So when we multiply the fractions, we now have 30/12. To simplify this, let's change it back to a mixed number. First, we need to think, how many 12s go into 30? 2. And there are 6 left over. So that leaves us at 2 6/12. We can simplify 6/12 even further. 6 is divided evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So our answer is 2 1/2. The next example is 4/9 divided by 3/5. When we apply the keep it, switch it, flip it method, it becomes 4/9 times 5/3. Now all we need to do is multiply across. 4 times 5 is 20, and 9 times 3 is 27. Our answer is 20/27. Okay, for our last problem, I'd like you to try it on your own. 1/2 divided by 5/6. Pause the video and unpause when you are ready to correct. Okay, let's see how you did. First, we need to keep 1/2 the same. We need to switch this division sign to a multiplication sign and flip 5/6 to 6/5. Now we just need to multiply across. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. So our answer is 6/10. This fraction can be simplified because both of these numbers are divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is 3/5.